Hello, welcome again. Welcome again to 7th Maths. So far I discussed two mains of exercise 1.3, chapter number 1, integers. Today I am going to discuss third and fourth main of exercise 1.3. Okay. Chapter number 1, integers, exercise 1.3, third main. I will write the question for you. For any integer a, in third main, first one, for any integer a, what is minus 1 into a equal to. So this is the question. I will read the question once again. For any integer a, what is minus 1 into a equal to? In place of a you can assume any number. What happens if you multiply minus 1 to any integer? If you multiply minus 1 to any integer, what will happen? For example, 5 into minus 1 will give you minus 5. Means you will always get the additive inverse of that number. 6 into minus 1. 6 into minus 1 will give minus 6. Minus 6 into minus 1 plus 6. If you multiply minus 1 to any integer, you will get that integer's additive inverse. You will get that integer's additive inverse, or you will get the same number with a different sign. It is just our view how we are going to say it. But in a better, proper manner, if I want to say the answer, if I multiply minus 1 to any integer, I will get a minus a. Okay, our answer is for any integer a, what is minus 1 into a? Minus 1 into a will give you what? If you open the bracket, plus into minus, minus 1 will come outside into a. Now, this a is having plus sign, so minus into plus will give you minus, 1 into a will give you a. Therefore, for any integer a, minus 1 into a will give you minus a. For any integer a, minus 1 into a will give minus a. Okay, by this you can use this statement for directly for any number. For example, for 7, what is minus 1 into 7? Minus 7. For minus 6, what is minus 1 into 6? Directly plus 6. Sign will reverse. Okay, write this much. I will go for take one screenshot of third main first question. I will go for second question. Second question determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is a minus 22, b 37, c 0. Look here. Determine the integer whose product with the minus 1 is. Determine means you have to calculate it. So below 3 integers are given, a minus 22, b 37, c 0. If you multiply minus 1 to these integers, what answer you are going to get? This is a very simple question. So a solution. Okay, first a solution we will take. minus 22 into minus 1. Minus 22 into minus 1 will give you what? First, sign multiplication. For any multiplication of any two integer, first you need to multiply their sign. Minus into minus plus 22 into 1 will give you 22. B solution 37 into minus 1 plus into minus will give you minus 37 into 1 will give 37. I told you now, if you multiply minus 1 to any number, you will get additive inverse of that number. Minus 22 is additive inverse is plus 20. 37 is additive inverse is minus 37. C solution 0 into minus 1. What is your answer? If you multiply 0 to any number, what answer you are going to get? Whether same number will repeat or the answer will become 0. Just think. I will give you 2 seconds. If you multiply 0 to any number, the answer is always 0. And on 0 don't have any symbol. It is neither positive nor negative. This is the solution of the second part in the third main. Note down. Take a screenshot. Okay. Better you take a screenshot. That pic will be stored in a gallery. After that, after finishing this video, you can write peacefully. Okay. Right. Fourth main. See, let's skip that fourth main. Fourth main is just unnecessary questions are there. It will just confuse you all. I prefer to skip that fourth main. Okay. Still, if you want to know about fourth main, whenever you come for correction, I will explain it. But I feel fourth main is a unnecessary question. But I will go for fifth main. Fifth main, find the product of or simplify. Okay, heading may be anything. Sometimes find the product, simplify, find the answer, multiply. There may be anything. A question 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. Look here. There is a one rule, BODMAS rule. What this BODMAS rule says, bracket of, B means bracket, O means of, bracket of division, M means multiplication, A means addition, S means subtraction. Means this is the order of preference. If you continuously have many operations, for example here plus is also there, in between these two plus is also there, in between these two multiplication is also there. Which operation you are going to do first? Okay, that decides the answer. If you do addition, then if you multiply, you will get a different answer. If you multiply first, then if you add, then you will get a different answer. Which one is correct? In both way you are doing the calculation correct, but which operation you are doing first, that determines the answer. Therefore, there is a one rule which we all mathematicians follow, that is known as a bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. In short, we call it as a BODMAS rule. Means first you need to open the bracket. First preference is always given to the bracket. Means whatever. For example, I will just take an example for it. 5 into 7 into 5 plus 3. There is a one example in front of you. 5 into 7, they are inside bracket, into 5 plus 3. If I solve this I can solve this in a different manner. Okay, in every way I will get a different answer. So according to BODMAS rule, first preference I must give to bracket, not for this addition. You should not add these two. There is a possibility, there is a chance for adding this to 5 plus 3. I can write 8. No, this is not the way. According to BODMAS rule, first preference is given to brackets. So first solve the bracket. 5 sevens are 35. First bracket is solved. Then open the bracket. 35 will come outside. Right? Now 35 into 5 plus 3. 35 into 5 plus 3. Now according to BODMAS, first preference, two operations are there. Into is also there, plus is also there. First comes multiplication, then addition. No? Therefore first preference is given to multiplication. After multiplication you have to add a 3 to it. This is the way. 35 into 5. 175 plus 3. Answer is 178. This is the correct answer. What happens if you do it in a different way? If you violate the BODMAS rule and if you add first, what happens? 35. 5 plus 3 will give you 8. 5 plus 3 will give you 8. Your answer will become 280, which is totally different. Therefore, whenever you face these type of problems where addition is also there, multiplication is also there, division is also there, you have to give preferences. For first preferences for bracket, then for division, then afterwards multiplication, addition, finally for subtraction. This is known as a BODMAS rule. Okay, maybe you learned in your fifth class only. Still, it's a proper time to recall it. Okay. Now, the same situation arises in front of us. Two integers are multiplication. And one addition. So multiplication has first preference according to BODMAS rule. So first we need to multiply these two. Afterwards, whatever answer I will get, I need to add them. This is the way of a solve it. What I told, first always we need to open the brackets. First we need to open the brackets. 26 as it is, into as it is, plus into minus will give you minus. 48 came outside. This plus as it is. To open this bracket, this plus into minus. Okay. Here this plus into minus will give you minus, and 48 came outside. Here plus into minus, into as it is, plus into minus, minus. First multiplication you have to do. Afterwards addition. Plus into minus. 48 into 26. You solve it. 48 into 26. One two four eight 1240. Now you do here. Look here. Minus into minus will give you plus. 48 into 36. 48 into 36. One 7 2 8. Now this is negative, this one is positive. What you have to do, if two integers came up with a different sign and there is no multiplication sign between them, then you have to subtract. Okay, this one is greater, 1728. In 1728 you have to subtract 1 2 4 8. Subtract 8 minus 8 0. 8 7 4. So answer is 480. Answer is 480. Which sign it will get? Greater number sign. Plus 4. Answer is plus 4. Likewise, just take one screenshot. Question D. Or take a B question as a homework. Take B question as a homework. 8 into 53 into minus 125. Very easy. There is no addition, subtraction sign anywhere. Just there is no addition, subtraction operation, multiplication. Continue 3. First you solve these two. For that answer you multiply this one. Okay. First you solve these two. 8 into 53 you do. You will get one number. For that number into this number you will get the answer. Try it in your home. Note down. Question C. Question C. (15) into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. All four integers are in multiplication with one another. So continuous chain it is. So it's very easy. These type of problems are very easy. Just in next step you open the brackets. 15 don't have any bracket as it is, into plus into minus will give you minus 25. Here this into as it is, plus into minus minus 4 into as it is, plus into minus minus 10. Now it is your choice how you are going to do it. Okay, for our convenience you can multiply any number with any number. You can multiply this 15 with the 10 also, this 4 with the 25 also, by rearranging the numbers. If you don't want to do all these stuffs, you can directly pair. Okay, solve this. Plus into minus will give minus 15 into 25 or 25 into 15. The same, but 5 is 25. So answer is 375. Now this into came as it is. Minus into minus will give you plus 4 tens are 40. Right? Now minus into plus, minus 375 into 40. 375 into 40. 375 into 40. No need to multiply this 0 because at the end you will get 0 only. Just multiply 4 5 are 20. And this 0. So answer is 15,000 minus 15,000. Okay. Take D question. Take D1 as a homework. Minus 41 into 102. Okay, solve D question in our home. In next session 4 questions remains. E, F, G and H, still 4 questions are there. In next session I will see you again with the solution of these 4 questions. Thank you everyone and all. Have a nice day.